In this video, we will learn how to add attendance tracker in Excel sheet. So let's start. Open your Excel sheet and go to the Home tab. Then click on the add-ins option, and here click on more add-ins. Okay. So here the Office add-ins dialog box is open. Then in category, select the education category. Okay. Then sort by the rating. Just click on this drop down arrow and select the rating option. And here the search the attendance tracker. Okay, just click on it, and here you can read the description of the attendance tracker. Simple and time saving attendance tracker can be very helpful for your employees or students or anyone where you want to keep track of attendance for employees or students. Just click on add to add in Excel. Click on the continue to add here. Now you can see the right hand side the attendance tracker is added. Just click on the get start. Here the attendance tracker is start. Okay. Then select here the month information. I select here this September. Then click on the field header button, and you can see here the all month date is filled with the day also, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and ID and name column also added. Now manually mark the attendance. You can manually mark P for present, mark HO for holiday, mark LT for late. You can see here when you keep cursor on, mark WO for week off, mark week off. The full form here show, mark planned leave. So for manually mark attendance, select the cell, then click on the attendance. Suppose I want to mark present, just click on the mark present. It's not update because the ID and name do not enter. So I just enter the ID, okay, and name A. Okay. Now I select the first cell and click on the mark P. You can see here when I click on the option, the attendance is marked. Okay, mark week off, mark holiday, mark late. Okay, so this is a way you can manually mark the attendance here. Okay, the second way I show you the automatically attendance mark here. So add here the one sheet, and month information, select here the different month. So I select here the August and click on the field header. Okay, same as here the all month date is filled with the day of month and ID and name column also added. Okay, now mark attendance automatically. First select here, just click on this box. You can see here the all attendance have a in drop down list. Or select those you want. In Monday, what you want to set here, the present, you can set here the present. Into Tuesday you want to set here the holiday, you can set the holiday. In Wednesday you can set the present, and other option also you can select here, week off, Saturday, Sunday. Now just select the cell and click on the autofill all. Again same error is showing here, no data field here. First ID and name you have to fill. So I enter here the ID. Okay, so I just enter here 1 2 and drag here, and then I enter here the name A, then just double click on it and it's filled. Okay, now I click here the autofill all, and see here all attendance is filled on one click only. So this is a way you can fill the attendance on one click. And you can see here the Saturday is showing the blank because it's not I enter here anything. Just click on it and select the week off and click on the autofill again. You can see here the all it changes. So if you want to change this, you can edit here, and you can, suppose I want to set here the Tuesday, sorry, first is a Tuesday here, set here week off and Monday for present, and click on the, here you can see the Tuesday, and again I click on the autofill all. Again I select the cell, I again select the P and click on the autofill, and you can see here all details is filled. Okay, it's Thursday, it's not Tuesday, it's Tuesday. Okay, HO for holiday. Okay, so this is a way you can edit also. And if you want to particular person wise, name wise, the present, absent, so just enter the all present, then you can manually enter the absent also. Now those who are absent on different day, you can enter the manually. But it's really helpful to quickly make the attendance tracker for your office employees or your student also. So hope this helpful to you. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.